Wala akong pake sa gifts. Kasi lagi kong iniisip, I can buy that. Ang yabang ko eh.
Yeah.
I can always get myself what I want.
She's a baddie. Her name spells P-E-R-F-E-C-T. She's a bright side of life.
Maki, what would a Gemini, your partner, need to do to make you feel safe?
Affirmation. I think that's something that I demanded siguro kasi even in the past, guys, and some of my friends, even my family, hindi sila ganun ka-vocal. But I somehow required it na for me to feel secured, for me to really be happy, just give me good words of affirmation. Yun yung love language na gusto kong nare-receive, na I cook something for you, so really have a good taste of it and i-comment mo na lang. Sabihin mo, ang sarap, galing mong magluto, pumapalakpak akong sobra nun. Diba? So that's really my love language na binigay rin naman niya, na lagi niyang kino-compliment yung mga ginagawa ko. I cook
Oh, that's
well.
lovely.
If before naka-work from home ako, so lagi ang meeting ko sa kwarto lang or sa bahay lang. Every after meeting ko, iko-compliment niya, ang galing mo talaga mag-handle ng call, no? Ang dami, ang articulate.
Oh,
I mean, always giving me pat on the back. And yun yung masaya sa akin. Hindi naman sa pagmamayabang, wala akong pake sa gifts. Kasi lagi kong iniisip, I can buy that. Ang yabang ko eh.
yeah.
I can always get myself what I want. So I
Yeah.
don't require people to give me gifts. Di ako, happy ako, super thankful ako sa physical gifts. Pero you give me compliments, you give me affirmation, yan ang papalakpak. Even my soul is clapping.
Oh, that's really, you know what? I think I may know, but you can correct me if I'm wrong. It's because, like what you said, kaya ko naman ibigay yun eh, di ba? Kaya ko naman. And then you also give yourself affirmation. You said, I'm a queen, I'm very confident. I am capable. So it hits different when your partner is saying it to you. Is that right?
Yes, kasi it confirms that I am really good.
It confirms I'm really good. Yeah.
Your turn. Turn. Hey brave, it's time. Your turn. Your turn. Your turn.